morning, I'm Mr. B, and today we're going to begin our review on rational equations. So just for a warm-up, we have 2 over 3 is equal to x over 3. Think about it. 2/3 is equal to 2/3. So we can clearly state that x should be equal or is equal to 2. If you can't see that yet, we're going to start with the first example so that you can learn how to solve rational equations. And if you already do, but have forgotten some steps, this could be a good review for you. Our first example is going to be a very simple. X minus 1 over 15 equal to 2/5, or 2 over 5. Now you may be wondering how you solve rational equations. There really are two methods. You could make the denominators the same, or you could cross multiply. So we're going to start with cross multiplication. With rational equations, when you cross multiply, for this example, 5 times x minus 1 would give you 5x minus 5. Notice how I distributed the 5 to both the x and the 1. And then 15 times 2 is equal to 30. So then you're just left with an equation. And to solve this equation, you would have to first add 5 to both sides in order to cancel the negative 5 and end up with 5x equal to 35. To solve this, you divide by 5 on both sides, and x is equal to 7. However, like I said, there is another method to solving this. So on this side, we're just going to do the other method. We're going to rewrite a rational equation, x minus 1 over 15 equal to 2/5. In order to make the denominators the same, we're going to make them both equal to 15. So to do that, we're going to keep this right here. X minus 1 over 15 equal to 2 over 5. And to make this denominator 15, we would have to multiply 5 by 3. And notice that what you do to the bottom, you always have to do to the top, which leaves you with x minus 1 over 15 equal to 6 over 15. Now that your denominators are the same, you can simply just take them out, which leaves you with the equation x minus 1 is equal to 6. You solve the equation by adding 1 to both sides, which cancels out the negative 1 and gives you x is equal to 7. Notice how we got both x minus 7 for both examples. Now we're going to try a harder rational equation. So this is going to be our second example. 3 over x plus 2 minus 1 over x equal to 1 over 5x. So you may be thinking, what common denominator could we use to solve this rational equation? Our common denominator is going to end up as 5x times x plus 2. In order to do that, we're going to take the first equation, 3 over x plus 2, and we're going to multiply that by 5x. Notice that our common denominator, we did not combine like terms, so you're just going to leave it as is. Not bad.